What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Samsung Galaxy A14 5G is already available in the market. The unlocked version is $199.99 at the Samsung website, and carriers are offering it at different prices such as free when you switch to them or $100 for new or upgrade eligible customers. Boost Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, Total by Verizon and Cricket Wireless all are offering it at different prices and promotions, so do little research before buying it. So before going into the details, let's have a look at its previous model A13 5G. It's not a comparison video, but it's important for those who are using Galaxy A13 5G and planning to upgrade their phone. So if you are using A13 5G, then don't even bother yourself to look into A14 5G, because I don't see any attraction in it except its screen resolution and the Android version. You can see the comparison here. The screen size, camera setup, storage and battery are almost the same. The majority of the specs are the equal. You should consider Samsung Galaxy A53 5G as an upgrade if you are using A13 5G and planning to get the higher one. But if you are using a lower range Samsung Galaxy phone such as Galaxy A03s, then this is the video you should watch till the end. So let's dive in. The majority of the Samsung Galaxy A series phones are thin and rounded in shape, but this one is thick and looks like a box stand. It's an entry-level phone, so obviously won't get an aluminium body for durability as well as beauty-wise. Shiny plastic edges make this phone oily from the sides and slippery, but the textured plastic back cover is improving its grip as well as less fingerprint friendly. Triple rev camera setup, no 3D style platform like other Galaxy A series phones. Lenses are popping out, which will be the first thing to hit the ground if it drops accidentally, so make sure you have the right protection if you go for this phone. The fingerprint sensor is embedded in the power button, which is more comfortable than screen scanning, but it depends on how you like it. It also has face recognition to unlock the screen, so security wise it has all options, traditional as well as biometric. The screen is one of the major improvements in this model to its previous Galaxy A13 5G. A14 5G got a 1080p screen resolution as compared to 720p. It's a 6.6-inch LCD with a 90Hz frequency. I played HD video on it. The graphic was awesome and plenty of space is left on the edges of the screen, especially the bottom side, because it's not a full HD display, but it's still a decent size screen. Another improvement in this phone is the Android version 13 with One UI 5. It's a pretty new Android version and definitely will bring new features to it and will last for a couple of years at least. MediaTek 700 octa-core processor comes in entry-level phones like this one and works pretty fine, especially during games, the basic level games. 64GB built-in memory and 4GB of RAM are kind of low. This one is Boost Mobile phone and is currently on promotion $79.99 on their website and free when you switch to Boost Mobile. It's a really good price for a 5G phone, but the storage and RAM are alarmingly low. 32% of the storage is gone in the initial setup. It does take external SD card, but you can install apps in it. These days we have to install apps for each and everything, big or small. The phone screen gets full of apps within a short time. Not only this phone, but the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G, which is a $300, also has 64GB of built-in storage, which does not make any sense to me. I wish Samsung could do at least 128GB. If you like to take pictures and videos, then you should keep this point in mind before buying it. The camera setup is not impressive at all. In my point of view, it's even below the average. 50 megapixels main camera is a good number, but the video quality is horrible. You will see a big amount of noise in the videos and pictures. I took these shots during daylight. It was cloudy, not sunny, which could affect the quality, and it gets worse if you zoom in and out. The color balance, image details and sharpness are completely missing. 2 megapixels depth and macro camera are showing the same story. Tried to take close shots and the result is not impressive. These are my thoughts regarding the camera setup. You guys might see it the other way because everyone has different understandings. Ultra wide angle camera is missing, so you won't be able to capture wide angles such as a big building or a group of people in one frame or picture. Selfie camera is 13 megapixels. The battery is 5000 milliamps, which you find in mid-range to high-level phones. It's a plus point, and this much of a power bank can last up to 2 days easily if you are a regular phone user. How long the battery will last completely depends on you, how you use it. If you watch videos on your phone or like to play games on it, then it might drain quickly, but a 5000 milliamps is a decent amount and usually comes in expensive phones. The power adapter is not included in the box, which is a common practice these days for a Samsung and Apple, so consider spending a few bucks on the 15-watt power adapter. If you have a compatible charger that you are using with your current phone, then you can use the same one and save some money. To summarize the video and not get confused about this phone, let's talk about the pros and cons so that you guys can make a decision. It's a 5G phone with a decent 1080p screen resolution at 90 Hz frequency. All security features are included, traditional and biometric. It supports NFC for contactless payments, which is a really important thing to have. Big battery to use it for a long time, and Android version 13, which is latest. The only thing in this phone which you might don't like it is the 64 GB built-in storage. It will be a little tough using this phone for 2 to 3 years, but an external SD card can solve this problem to some extent. The camera setup is okay if it's not important to you. If you choose Boost Mobile like this one or any other carrier and find a good deal, then I think it's not a bad option to go. So that's all. Give a like if you really like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know in the comment section whatever you think about this one. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.